Hi, my name is Patrick and this video should tell you CAT paper strategy to score 100 percentile in LRDI section. So what should be a strategy as far as the exam is concerned? I'm talking this based on my experience. I've scored 100 percentile in CAT 6 times. I also scored 100 percentile in LRDI section 7 times. So I'm fairly comfortable with the LRDI section and how to score 100 percentile. So this is based on my experience and also the experience of training students for more than 20 years for CAT exam. So based on that, what is the strategy that you need to adopt so that you can get 100 percentile? Now, strategy is important. I mean, even if you're capable, it is possible that you don't get 100 percentile because either your strategy is not proper, etc. So first, let's look at the scores required. If you look at last year, a person with a score of around 48 plus out of 60 would have got 100 percentile. I scored 54 and 60, which was way above 100, but yeah, way above the cutoff of 100. But a person with a 48 last year was 100. Remember, each set 5 questions, 15 marks. So you need to attempt more than 3 sets. That means you need to go to the 4th set as well. There are 4 sets. So not only solve the 3 sets, but go to the 4th set, at least solve it partially. Right? So solve 3 plus sets. Now this strategy could vary from person to person. This is based on my understanding of the paper and how I go about approaching it. But you could have a different strategy based on your experience. The idea is to experiment and see what works for you and what does not, and then accordingly decide. So what's the strategy? First is avoid solving the first set that comes in your way. I mean, I did it once. So one of the examination, I went about the first set that came in, I went about solving it. I thought I was very strong in LR. It was a big set. I thought, oh, let me just try to solve it. I got stuck and I wasted around 10 minutes on that. And in the end, I did not even get the answer. Yeah, I was able to overcome that and maybe I had scored, I think I still managed to score a good percentage in LRDI. But yes, avoid taking the first set that comes in. It's important to get one set in your bag to gain the confidence, because if you get that initial one set, it gives you some amount of confidence and reduces the stress. If you don't have that one set, that could be a stress level that could increase. Okay, so go with that idea. Okay, then idea is to go to either 2 to 4 sets. I mean, either go to first 2 sets or 4 sets. Don't try to solve them, just go through it and select a set. I mean, when I select a set, I select basically on the length. So when I select, is based on any short set which doesn't take a lot of time and I can read it fast and put the data fast, I pick it up. The idea is that if by chance it turns out to be tough, I can leave it quickly as possible. I don't have to waste. I mean, a longer set to read and understand and try to put the data, it takes a longer time, and leaving it will take a longer time, which could maybe, if it's tough, to cause a stress. So, but shortest set, if you leave it, you also know that I've gone through one set, I don't have to worry about it, and I can leave it much quickly if it is tough, right? So key is to try and solve the set in an average 10 minutes. So any set that you solve, average set, some may take you a little less time, maybe 9-8 minutes, some may take you a little bit more time, 11-12 minutes. You could, if it's very fast, you could maybe solve even a set in 5 minutes. If it's lengthy, you could take it 15 minutes, but average 10 minutes, let me put it this way. It could vary a set on set, but average you should be able to solve a set in 10 minutes. So what is the strategy? I mean, I normally what I do is the first 2 minutes I go through a set to select a set I need to solve. So maybe to a length, maybe whatever way I feel comfortable. I pick up 2 minutes, I select a set. Then in the next 33 minutes, I try to solve the sets as and when it comes based on whatever I've decided. On an average, the set I'm able to solve, I should be able to solve in 10 minutes. There will always be one set which is very, very tough. That's normally in CAT. CAT always have this one set which is extremely tough. Should be able to leave, I keep 4 minutes. I mean, try the set, I'm not able to get it, 4 minutes, I leave the set. The set which I'm able to solve, I'll solve in 10 minutes. And the end, last 4 minutes still left, last 4 to 5 minutes, I go back and then maybe try to solve whatever few questions from the last set which is possible. I mean, if I can shortlist the numbers and get the options and do some intelligent guessing, I should be able to solve some part of that particular set. That should hopefully get me 100% in the exam. So idea is to solve, I mean, again, it depends on toughness of the paper. Paper is very tough, then maybe even 3 sets is sufficient to get 100 percentile. If paper is easy, it could go to 4 sets. But yes, somewhere around 3 to 4 sets is what you should be. There will always be one very tough sets in the examination. Be careful of that. Learn to pick up easy set. Even if you're trying to attempt all the questions, it's important to get a few sets in your bag so that you gain the confidence to solve more sets. Okay, I hope this helps. We'll come up with more videos that will help you with regards to strategy, preparation, etc. If you're interested, do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.